Namaste. All the distinguished guests gather over here and my friends from Kazakhstan. Namaskar. It's really a matter of great pleasure to be joining you, although virtually, in the celebration of Indian Council for Cultural Relations 72nd Foundation Day, which is now being observed at the Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center at Nur Sultan in Kazakhstan. Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center was established, as we know, in Kazakhstan in the year 1994, as India considers the CIS region as its extended neighborhood, and Kazakhstan is one of the important stakeholders of this region, and India has cultural and historical linkages and very strong linkages with this beautiful country of Kazakhstan. Various elements of Indian culture are popular all over Kazakhstan, and there is still substantial support to enhance the cultural and academic interaction between India and Kazakhstan. I had the good fortune of visiting this beautiful country in the year 2016, and I relish the memories of my brief but memorable visit of Kazakhstan. Running of Indian cultural centers abroad is one of the major activities of the ICCR. These centers have been successfully striving to achieve the objectives of the ICCR and strengthening the people-to-people connect through cultural and academic activities. ICCR centers abroad play a pivotal role in providing insights into host countries' interests in various potential areas of cooperation with India. Friends, ICCR has been successfully striving to achieve the objective of developing an understanding between the two countries. And this is an important ingredient for the enhancement of soft power as well. ICCR has been working towards creating a sound understanding of Indian culture in multiple ways. During the last more than 7 years, ICCR has received a new thrust in harnessing the optimum soft power potential under the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. Honorable PM has shown keen interest to build on to India's soft power strengths. Also, ICCR has a major scholarship program under which students from all over the world come to India to study in prominent Indian universities and institutions. ICCR attaches great importance to foreign alumni of Indian institutions. Many of such alumni have attained prominent positions, and they are not only our goodwill ambassadors, but they are in their own way contributing hugely in the relationship cultivation between both the countries. I would like to share with you that the ICCR Foundation Day 2022 is significant this year because we are launching the India Alumni Portal, and not just the portal, but also a kind of forum. I would request all those, our Kazakh friends who might have had been in India at any point for whatever the months they might have spent here, or learned and audited certain courses in India, they are members of this umbrella organization called India Alumni. I would urge very sincerely to all our Kazakh friends who have had their training or education in India to come together at various places, inform our cultural center and our embassy, and continue to further strengthen the relationship between India and Kazakhstan. I take this opportunity to convey my greetings and to thank all the stakeholders, including the Indian Embassy in Kazakhstan, Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center, Indian Diaspora, University in India, universities in India and Kazakhstan, Kazakh students who are currently in India and who had been to India on this particular day, as this Foundation Day marks the beginning of a new chapter which is called as the launching of India Alumni. Once again, I wish you all the very best. Thank you very much.